Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the example for binomial distribution. A sample n resident in a village has been chosen at random, and it is found that the mean numbers of the resident contract by the hepatitis C virus is 6.3. So here they mention that EX is equals to 6.3 and the variance is 4.095. So as we all know, the NP for the mean is equals to 6.3. And the variance, we have NPQ is equals to 4.095. Kindly substitute the NP. So we have the Q, which is equals to 4.095 over the 6.3. So Q will be equals to 0.65. From here, automatically P will be equals to 1 minus the 0.65. So we will have 0.35. Kindly substitute. So N is equals to 6.3 over 0.35 because of the P. So N will be equals to 18. So rewrite the title. X is binomially distributed with 18 and the probability of success would be 0.35. So the probability of success would be contract by the hepatitis C virus. So we write it as a C. Next, find the probability that a resident is contracted by the hepatitis C. So here we have the answer 0.35. B, calculate the probability that less than 2 residents, so probability that less than 2 are contacted by the hepatitis C. So making use of the formula, because in the table there is no 18 for the N. So in here we have probability that X is less than or equals to 1. So we are interested in probability that X is equals to 0 and then plus the probability that X is equals to 1. So in here we have 18C0 and then 0.35 to the power of 0, 0.65 to the power of 18. Plus we have 18C1, 0.35 to the power of 1 multiplied with the 0.65 to the power of 17. So by referring to the calculator, here we will have 0.00043 plus we have 0.00416. If we sum up the situation, and we will have the probability that X is less than 2 will be equals to 0.000459. Next, exactly half of the residents are contracted by hepatitis C. So meaning half, total we have 18. So we have X is equals to 9. By referring to the formula, 18C9, 0.35 to the power of 9, 0.65 to the power of 9. So by referring to the calculator, and we will have 0.0744. So that is the probability that when X is equals to 9. Next, number 3. Between 8 and 10 residents are contacted by the hepatitis C virus inclusively. So probability that we have X is greater than 8, less than 10. So that is the between. But in here we have the keyword inclusively. So means that included for both 8 and 10. So now we are interested in probability that X is equals to 8 plus probability that X is equals to 9 plus the probability that X is equals to 10. So 18C8, 0.35 to the power of 8. By referring to the calculator, and we total up the situation, so we will have probability that X is greater equals to 8, less than equals to 10 will be equals to 0.2506.